Hey Dusty, so looking at your website, looks pretty nice. One thing I noticed is you got a fair amount of content, but you only have 664 words, so you could add some more. The reviews help add you a bunch of content. You want to make sure it's organic content as well as it's got keywords within it. You don't want to keyword stuff, but when it comes to Google, content's king. The more content you have, the better. It'll help you get more keywords and it'll help you rank. Next thing would be images. Let's see what you got these saved as. If I can find an image. There you go. So yeah, you'd want to make that a keyword. So you'd do heat repair or AC repair, um, Alexandria, LA, or Los Angeles, Louisiana, or some other keyword you want to rank for, or electrician, Alexandria. But yeah, uh, that's just it's a missed opportunity if you don't do that. To have a keyword on your website, Google I can't see the photo, but I can see what it's saved as, and then it'll give you a keyword for that. I'm typing in HVAC Alexandria, Louisiana. First, there'd be ads. It looks like this guy's getting an ad to his Facebook page. Then you got the GMB. Then you got the organic ranking. Grabbing this top guy, looking at his website. This is what it looks like. Yes. Okay. So he's got a fair amount of content on his page, but still he only has 777 words. So you could add more, 1,000, 1,500, however much you want. You can just beat him with the content. Let's check what this guy's images are saved as. Most likely it's not correct, and it's not correct. A lot of people don't save it right. It's going to give you that advantage. It's a missed opportunity for him, and it's going to give you that advantage because now you know, and now you can correct that. Let's put you guys in the Ahrefs. Putting you in, you don't have a UR or a DR score. You got 8 backlinks, 1 referring domain, 5 organic keywords. Let's see what you're ranking for. It's just your name, and you're on the second and third and fourth page for those. And you're not really even getting anyone a month to those. I wonder why people are paying the $15 a click for Walter Heating and Cooling. Walter's Heating and Cooling. I don't know. But someone's doing something weird on their ads. Let's type in this guy. So he's got a UR of 22, a DR of 2, so that's not all that good, but his UR is decent. 138 backlinks, 38 referring domains, 175 keywords he's ranking for, and he gets 38 people a month to his website. I didn't want to check that one out first. I wanted to click backlinks. Talk about those. So going to his backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. We want to go after ones that are high DR and high UR score. You don't want to go for the spammy ones, the single digit, low backlinks. They're just spammy, and Google's smart and knows. You also want to make sure they're relevant to your industry. You don't want to go after fast food or deep sea diving or something else, or golfing. You want to go after ones that are relevant. Other electricians, other HVAC, other plumbers. Stuff that's relevant and similar. These are just directories. But we can come in here and see how to get them. This is just a directory, I believe. Maybe it's not. But we can figure out. You're a qualified pro. So yeah, it's just a directory. You just click that and figure out how to get it. And we can come here and find all the other ones he has. You can just click on them. That one can't be reached. Sometimes that happens. Another directory right there. But yeah, we can go grab his. Go to other competitors, grab theirs, and beat them in the backlinks. Again, you want to make sure you stay away from the spammy ones, and you want to make sure you get the relevant ones. Other backlinks you can get are guest posts, blog commenting, blogs, sponsors, news articles, directories, citations, basically anything that's going to link back to you. Next thing will be keywords. Let's go check it out. AC repair, Alexandria, LA, or Los Angeles. Not Los Angeles, Louisiana. I always mess that up for some reason. Volume of 70, KD of 1. Air conditioning repair, Alexandria, Louisiana, 70 and 1. One thing to notice, people are paying $20 a click for this keyword versus paying $4 a click for this keyword. So, obviously if you're doing Google Ads, you'd go after that one. Same volume, same meaning, same buyer intent. So it's just, something to know. A 1KD that's very easy to rank for. I would just organically go for that ranking instead of paying for the ads. Ads will help you right away, where organic ranking is going to help you. But this is, in the long term, this is pretty easy to beat. The lower the KD, the easier it is. So 1KD is super easy. It's 25 KD, that's going to be longer and harder, but that's just his name. I don't know why it's so hard to rank for his name. HVAC Alexandria, Louisiana, 6 and 30 volume. It's a 20 and 4. And you just come down here and find all the ones you like. You can go check out other. You can check out other cities as well. And then we could go check out electricians as well. Plumbers, that's a very nice one right there. If you did plumbing, I'm sure you might know someone. You could tell them about that keyword. Plumbers in Alexandria, LA, Louisiana. But yeah, the next thing I'm going to show you is the GMB. Grabbing this guy. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. You want to make sure you complete it 100%. You don't want to skip steps. Then you want to add photos. Photos are the content for your GMB. The more photos, the better. And then citations of directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp. I'll show you in a second. But you want to make sure your name is the same as on the GMB. The phone number is the same, and the location is the same. Going into this tool I like to use, this guy has 8 citations. So he doesn't have much. It's very easy to beat. He's got True People Search and Bing. Other ones are Yellow Pages, Yelp. You can get social profile citations as well, which are Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter. There's a whole bunch of them. You can Google for more. It's time consuming, but it's something you can definitely do, and it'll help you rank for GMB. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can talk more. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good rest of your day.